I've been submitting job applications with this profile picture.
Tell me the truth. Are you talking to other girls?
Obviously not, only with you.
Did you know that Jocelyn, the other one you're talking to, is my fake account?
You see? I told you I only talk to you.
37 years old male model who looks 17.
17 years in. Maybe.
You're nothing.
Can I play with you?
No mic.
Got a mic now.
Guys, my PS4 broke, and I tried everything, but won't work. Please help.
How do I get this cut without showing the barber this picture?
Marissa!
I just realized I